So we can continue those sentences. So namba ya kashatu tukaba twagiheza twaza namba ya kana. Yeah, I want you to read for me.
Read number 4.
Yes, namba ya kana.
Amara ni mabe.
Amarwa
Kuba negasinza.
negasinza.
Amara ni mabe. Kuba negasinza. This is
So which word is it?
okay.
Actually, I had already put it for you.
Yes.
Then 5. Number 5.
Amate
Ni
dash kandi no bushira ni bronze.
which word
Now
is fit to go there?
okay, amate ni maronzi kandi no bushira ni bronze.
Exactly. That's good. Then number 6.
Munwani dash nakunda kubyasha.
Which one?
Munwani wawe nakunda kubyasha.
Munywani wawe nakunda kurya ki? Then 7.
Kandi iwe nokunda okay. Kandi iwe nokunda kurya ebitoke.
Exactly. Number 8.
Nyowe ninkunda amase n'obushera. Nyowe ninkunda kunywa amase n'obushera.
Exactly. Yeah, you have passed all of them. Yes. We go to the next.
I want to finish up this. Wait.
Yes.
Can you send me this? I wanted to screenshot it.
I'm going to send you the document. Or you want to screenshot now?
No, it's okay. If you can send to me, it's the better thing.
Yeah.
I think it's the best.
I'm going to send you the document.
Okay.
So, you go to the next. Hindura kuza omurujungu. Translate to English.
Okay. Amara ni maronji konka nyowe singanywa. Amara ni maronji konka. This word is confused. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's konka or konka.
Konka. Kwo.
Konka.
Kwo.
Okay, Amara ni maronji konka nyowe singanywa. Then alcohol is good, but me, I don't drink it.
Yeah, that's correct. It is correct. Then 2.
Chakubiri.
Ekyokubiri. Enamba ya kabiri.
Namba ya kabiri. Ninyanga amara kwenda kusinda.
Yes.
I hate alcohol. I don't want to get drunk.
That's excellent. Then we got number ya kashatu. So that is,
Namba ya
you can see I put them in colors so that somebody can easily, because I wanted somebody to first check himself. Okay, number ya kashatu.
namba ya kashatu. Amata ni malonje kandi n'obushera ni bulungi. Milk is good and porridge is good. Obushera ni porridge.
Yes. It is porridge.
Okay, namba ya kana. Namba ya kana ta?
Yes.
Munywanyi wawe nyakunda kuyashi. What does your friend want to eat?
What does your friend like to eat?
What does your friend like to eat?
Nakunda
Right.
kulya. Then namba ya katano.
Namba ya gatano. Kandi iwe nokunda kunywa spinach. And you what do you like to drink and what? What and what? Okay. And you what do you like to drink and what kinds of?
Yeah, exactly. And you like to drink what and what?
Namba ya mukaaga. I like to drink milk and porridge. Namba ya no, Shara. I like to drink milk and porridge.
Yes.
Okay. Namba ya mushanju niga umoja naza haha. Umoja naza haha. Umoja naza
aha ishomero.
Umoja naza aha ishomero. Umoja no mshiti. Now, what is Omojo? I know you told me it's a baby boy.
Omojo is a boy.
And you told me it's a baby.
No.
A baby boy. Now I wanted to.
Omojo, yes, that period of when you are, that's the state of being a boy.
10 and below?
Yeah, 10 and below.
Okay.
Until you become a youth.
The boy went to school.
The Omojo naza aishomero. The boy is going to school. Naza is going to school.
Okay. I'm not writing this. I'm waiting for you. I write it later when I
Yes.
want to note it down.
Naza kutebekanisa omuka.
I'm going to prepare my home.
Naza
I'm going to
kutebekanisa.
prepare. Yes.
And if it was I, it was going to be Ninza. So it is he is going.
Yes, you're right.
Mm.
Yeah. Yes, you're right.
So we use
I got started.
he or she.
He went to prepare. Okay. Okay. He's going to prepare at home.
Yeah, he's going to prepare at home. He's going to prepare at home. He's going to prepare. Yeah, exactly. So you have done very well. That's good. Wow, we go to our next Hindura translate. Number
Prepare home
9.
kind
Oh,
of. Let's prepare his home kind of.
yes, it is a home, omuka. Now, these ones, they're already filled. Oh, these ones are already filled. So you can easily see them. You can read the word and I hear how you're reading it. Number 9, namba ya mwenda.
Namba ya mwenda. Nitunywa amate gataremu sukari. Nitunywa amate gataremu sukari. How do you pronounce it? Sukari.
Nitunywa amate gatarimu
Gataremu.
shukari.
Nitunywa amate gataremu sukari. How do you call it sukari?
Gatarimu shukari. Now, if we want to say that we drink milk with the sugar, we remove ta. And it becomes nutunywa amate garimu shukari. That will be with. So, because it is gata, it is without sugar. Then this Joseph.
Okay. Joseph nakunda kawa konka munywanyi we Peter nakunda option.
Yes.
Okay, but his friend Peter likes porridge.
You can either put likes or loves.
Okay. Namba 11. Is this the right word?
Namba 11. 11. 11.
Amara got shisha.
Yeah.
Amara got shisha.
Spoil families.
Okay. Amara got shisha.
Then now we go to this one. Can you translate them for me? These ones are in English.
I like tea without sugar. Nikunda shati taremu shukari.
Nikunda
chai taremu shukari.
Etarimu. Nikunda chai etarimu shukari. If it is erimu, is with. Then namba ya kabiri.
Namba ya kabiri is not its mate.
He is not eating meat.
What is this? Okay. He's not eating. Elias is eating. Meat? No, I want to say it. Wait. I want to phrase it right. Okay. And he's not eating meat. That. No, I can't. I think that. I don't know. Taria and Nyama.
Tarya nyama. Yes. Tarya nyama. Tarya nyama, that means
he's not eating meat.
Actually, tarya nyama,
he's not eating meat, no?
No, that is, he doesn't. Tarya. You feel it, it is like it is something that happens always. Okay, tarya, takurya. Anyway, this is tarya nyama.
Okay, what's the right one?
Here, he's not eating meat.
This is how you...
Tarukurya nyama. Talikurya nyama. Oh, takurya nyama. Oh, what? Takurya nyama. Talikurya nyama. He is not eating meat. At that very time, tarukugamba.
Talikurya nyama.
Because now it is negative, but in the very exact now tense. So there we put tarikurya nyama. You say another one can be tarukuyomba. Tarukuyomba means he is not shouting.
I join.
He's not shouting tarukuyomba. So here, if it is negative, but in the now tense, we put ri to mean that something is being done that very time. He doesn't eat meat. Tarya nyama or takurya nyama. So either you can delete the ku or you can leave. You make it like tarya nyama. He doesn't, because it is for always that he doesn't. In the present, now, even tomorrow, even always, he doesn't eat the meat.
Okay.
Then we have Peter. This one of Peter. Peter is drinking beer in a glass and conversing with his friend Joseph. Can you...
drinking beer in a glass and conversing with his friend Joseph.
Oh, I put... Wait. Peter is drinking juice so that it can be easier. He's drinking a shandy. So you can translate.
Peter no. Peter, I'm reading it for you. Peter nanywa. This one is kunywa. Nanywa.
Nanywa.
Okay. Bisananywa eshande omugirasi kandi naganira na munywanyi we Joseph.
Naganira na munywanyi we Joseph. You remember okuganira?
Okuganira, the conversation.
Yeah. So nanywa. It is like he is drinking. That is how nanywa is. In the simple, if Peter was not there, it would be he is drinking. Then the last one.
What is it? A cock. Which one is Korean? Na?
Nichirungi kurya nehuma.
This one got it right.
Then if I put this one. Hello.
Yes.
If I put that one, which word will I put? It is good.
It was a phone. Korea,
yeah, great. This is good. So we got the next. This one.
Nile still world business. I forgot how they call the Nile.
Nile, that is emission.
And you never taught me about feeling. What's the feel? You never taught me about feeling.
Feeling is
yes.
Okwata. Feeling is okwata. So if it is that knives peel well potatoes, you say emission. Emission ne hataje evitakuli. That is if they are normally, if you say potatoes, that means mainly they assume the sweet potatoes.
Okay. Emission nehata je emission nehata je Okay, the next one says, thank you very much. Webale munonga.
Yeah, webale munonga. O mwebale munonga. Webale munonga.
But it's referring to a group, huh?
Webale is a group. Then, no, webale is one person. Webale is a large group.
Yes.
Then this one.
Do you have rice, chicken, and cassava? Oine omchere. Oine omchere. What's chicken? Okay. I don't survive.
Chicken is enkoko. I know girls, ladies like enkoko. They like chicken. It is enkoko.
oyine omuceere, enkoko ne muhogo.
Oyine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo. Oyine omuceeri, enkoko na muhogo. That means you are asking.
Okay.
Then here you can say mwine when you're asking like a large group whether they have.
Okay.
Then the next one.
Okay, the last one says,
you are welcome. That is it. Twakwakira. Twakwakira. That is like an equivalent of saying a person that you're welcome. Yes.
This is the first time here.
You are welcome. Then, like if you go to visit a person and you reach that person will say twakwakira. If there are many, you will say twabakira. 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 You are welcome.
Twakwakira.
You are saying one person. Hey. Actually, the word is then the word okwakira. This word means to welcome. Okwakira.
To welcome. Okay.
Then we have this one.
What have you ordered? What have you ordered for, sir? I don't know.
Yes? We don't have beans and fish. We don't have is titwine. Titwine. We don't have tea. Should be two, but because it is in if there are many, titwine, tivine. Tivine is they. If we say tivine, they.
It's a Dennis.
Yes. Hello.
You did not tell me about the you skipped. What have you ordered for? Either I didn't hear you by the network or you skipped it.
Which one? Hey, sorry, we didn't see it. Hey, what have you ordered for? So to order for means kutumisa. To order for means kutumisa. To order for means kutumisa. So that means now if you want to ask that what have you ordered for, we are going to say what is ki, chi. That is what. So what misachi will be what have you ordered for. What misachi. Then assuming you want to ask a person what have you used for cooking, you will ask him that watechesachi. watekesa ki?
What
That is
such?
what have you used for cooking? For cooking. Then you can ask a person, walisachi. Walisachi. What have you used for eating? Or wanterachi. Why have you beaten me? There, it cannot be what have you beaten me, but it becomes why have you beaten me? Walisachi, what? Wajendesachi. Wantererachi is why have you beaten me? Wantera, because okutera is wanterachi. Wanterachi. It is from okutera. Wanterachi.
What about to hurt? Like the head is hurting you. Not hurt, like from hurting. Not even hurting does not sound hurt. Okay, you understand my point or no?
To hurt.
The head is hurting me.
The head,
kind of paining.
The head is hurting me. You say omutwe. Omutwe nigunsasa. Nigunsasa. Or you can say omutwe. You can say omutwe niguntera. Actually, uftera has double E. Omutwe niguntera. That is mostly when you have headache and you want to tell a person that I'm having headache, you say omutwe nuguntera. Omutwe nuguntera or omutwe nugunsasa. But this okusasa is like omutwe nugunsasa. This kusasa is because somebody hit you. Can it be? Okushasha. Omutwe nugunshasha. Sorry. Nugunshasha. Omutwe nugunshasha. Nugunshasha. I was talking like the way the Batagwenda talk. The Batagwenda cannot speak sha. When they say nugunsasa. So it is omutwe nugunshasha. Actually, okushasha. 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 Okushasha is to feel pain. Is to feel pain. Okusha. Okushasha is to feel pain. If you want to tell a person that I'm feeling pain, you say nashasha.
Ninshasha.
Ninshasha.
Nashasha.
You say ninshasha. I'm feeling pain. If it is another person, you want to tell a person that he's feeling pain, you say nashasha. Nashasha omutwe is feeling headache. So now you can quickly say omutwe nugunshasha. Ekigere nikinshasha. Ekigere, you know what it means?
The leg.
The leg. Then if I say ibondo nirinshasha. Ibondo, do you know it? Ibondo is the stomach. Ibondo, that is the stomach. Or you can say ibondo nirinshasha. Or you can say omunda nahanshasha. Omunda nahanshasha. So some people, because you may not say hey,
hello,
You know, some people don't like to speak in a direct way. Kujoti ibondo. So you would rather ibondo, that means on the outside. So you can say omunda nhanshasha if you are feeling stomach pain. You say omunda nhanshasha.
What's ibondo?
Ibondo is the stomach, but mainly the outside part. That is ibondo. So if you want to say that this outside part of the stomach is paining, you say ibondo nirinshasha. So it can mean that my outer stomach or my stomach is paining me.
Omunda
nhanshasha. That is, I'm feeling stomach pain. Omunda nhanshasha. Omunda means inside. Omunda, that is inside. Even you can say omunda yenju. You get omunda yenju, inside the house. Omunda yanje, inside me. Omunda yemotoka, inside the stomach.
Okay. I don't hear one.
Yes. Then we don't have beans and fish. We don't have beans and fish. This is titwine. Titwine. That is, we don't have. Hello. Titwine is we don't have. Hey. Wabura. Hello, hello. Yes? You're back
Yes,
now.
Mr. Dennis, I have to go. I'm sorry.
Okay, kale obusinje. Yes?
Obusinje?
Bugumeniwe. We shall add on.
Obusinje bugumeniwe?
Yes.
What's the meaning of this?
Obusinje. Obusinje bugumeniwe. That means peace be with you. Obusinje bubeniwe. Obugumeniwe. Bube is peace be with you. Then bugume is remain with you. So obusinje bubeniwe.
Niwe bubeniwe.
Nice time.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.